This is what happens inside of an engine when someone uses too much ether in an attempt to get it to start. The piston sleeve was cracked, the piston rings were cracked, and the piston was broken. So we tore the engine apart and pulled the damaged piston sleeves out of the engine. If you want to see how we pulled the damaged piston sleeves out of the engine, click the link at the end of the video. When the new piston sleeves came in, we put them in a cooler with dry ice in an attempt to make them shrink so they would go in a little easier. We were able to tap them into the engine with a hammer. It was a little bit harder than I originally anticipated. After all the piston sleeves were in place, we dropped in the new pistons with connecting rods and tapped them into place. Made sure that the connecting rod was lined up so it would slip over top of the crankshaft as it went down. Now with the engine back together and a fair amount of time spent bleeding the fuel system, we were able to get the engine up and running. I've attached a link to see how we removed the piston cylinder sleeves. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can catch videos of this backhoe in action now that it's up and running.